Okay, so I'm gonna try and work on the sail. Here's what I have. You can see basically the foot of the sail needs to be stitched. So I'm gonna try and see what I can do today. Let's get to it. You can see how the stitching is coming out. Basically, the entire foot of the sail looks like this. It's either missing threads or it's just broken, but it needs to be stitched the whole way down, all the way to the clue. And then you can see how it's puckering right here, so this webbing needs to be removed, and I'm going to put new webbing on. And then of course I'm going to stitch all this across here. Getting really close to the end now. So right now I'm trying to get all of this webbing off, this old webbing. It all needs to be replaced. I think this sail is original to the boat. But it looks like it's had some previous repairs. Wow. Not very good condition there. I'll tell you, the foot of the sail really doesn't look good. But I'm going to take care of it right now. So right now I'm going to finish the stitching across here. And then I will move to putting the new webbing on, which you can see I finally got the old webbing removed. So that's the next step. So here's the clue after I restitched it. Which I did leave some of the old stitching in. As you can see right here, I did leave some of the old stitching, which I guess is acceptable. Not so pretty, but I did get all this restitched. And now I'm going to put new webbing on.
Look at the concentration, ladies and gentlemen. The focus.
I want this to be so perfect. I mean, it's an old sail, I guess it won't be perfect, but I really am trying my best. So here are just a few of the before and after photos. These are just temporary repairs to get us by until we're able to purchase a new sail. I will be adding some leather on the corners to protect the sheet lines. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.